Crypto is coming to Miami. Nothing is more crypto than a Lambo. Nothing's more Miami than a Ferrari. Can the two coexist? Will the Magic City ride with crypto like Crockett and Tubbs? Or will crypto meet a chainsaw in a bathroom? Things are only going to accelerate now that governments are starting to take this technology seriously. Right now, we're starting to see the first governments experimenting with crypto, trying to figure out how it can help in their jurisdictions. El Salvador recently announced that Bitcoin would become legal tender in the country, and several other Latin American countries could end up taking similar measures. Here in the US, Miami will pioneer a new program to build a crypto for their city. Grab your Cuban sandwich, turn up that Will Smith. We're going to Miami. Let's get it. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, home of the BitSquad, the largest crypto community in all the interwebs. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in crypto. If you like money in crypto, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. In this video, we're going to take a look at MiamiCoin, a new government-issued crypto asset recently announced by the city of Miami. This will be the first experiment of its kind in the United States, and it could help push crypto adoption into the mainstream. Miami's mayor, Francis Suarez, has been on a mission not only to be the best-looking mayor in America, but also to improve the city by welcoming crypto businesses and incorporating blockchain technology into the city's digital infrastructure. Earlier this year, Suarez met with leaders in the industry to discuss how the city could become the new center of finance in the United States. One of the first steps that the mayor made was exploring how city employees could be paid in Bitcoin and other crypto assets. But these plans quickly evolved into something much bigger. They are trying to be as big as the BitSquad. And for that, we salute them. But it'll never happen. The BitSquad's 10x the population of Miami. The squad will continue to grow in power and stature. So that's why you need to smash that like and subscribe button. Keeps you in the loop on what's happening in crypto, keeps us ahead of YouTube censorship. A few months later, though, Suarez revealed that the city would be launching its own crypto. This won't be a medium of exchange to be used in the city, as many of us initially expected. Instead, it will act as an investment vehicle for the city. Miami's government will collect a percentage of the revenue generated from the project and use those funds for a variety of different social programs. Mayor Suarez suggested in recent interviews that this money could be used for roads, parks, or even eliminating homelessness in Miami. In addition to providing extra funds for the city, this token will also allow people from around the world to speculate on the city's success. This project will be made possible by a platform called CityCoins, which is hoping to replicate this model in other cities all over the world. CityCoins will run on the Stacks blockchain, which has been specifically designed to bring DeFi and smart contract functionality to Bitcoin. This platform was previously known as Blockstacks, but rebranded last year to avoid being confused with an open source project of the same name. MiamiCoin is not listed on any exchanges yet, so be on the lookout for more information about its first official listing. If you look on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, you will see that there is a coin called Miami being traded on a sketchy offshore centralized exchange, but be careful, it's in no way affiliated with the official MiamiCoin. Sadly, a ton of people aped into this token over the past month, assuming that they were buying the new government-approved asset that they had heard about on the news. As a result, the token's climbed over 600% this month and has recently started to dump now that people realized it was the wrong MiamiCoin.
Okay, why are you here?
Because today's my big day!
Okay, Seth Wood.
Ticker for the real MiamiCoin is going to be MIA. Where my paper planes at? If you want to get your hands on the real MiamiCoin before it hits exchanges, you're going to need to get involved as a miner. Mining for the MiamiCoin began on August 3rd, but it does not require the expensive hardware that you would need to mine most other proof-of-work coins. In fact, this sounds like it will operate much more like a proof-of-stake system. It is likely that Mayor Suarez was using the term mining so it was better understood by the media, but this could cause some additional confusion later on once people learn about the different consensus mechanisms. To get started, though, all that you need to do is buy some of the Stacks token, STX, and download the Stacks wallet, which is a browser extension similar to MetaMask. Once you've had the wallet loaded up with some Stacks, from there you can stake, or as they call it, stack, your assets to generate MiamiCoin from your browser wallet. The stacking process will reward the investor with either Bitcoin, MiamiCoin, or the STX token. But don't forget that the city of Miami will be getting 30% of those rewards. Some crypto traders have been cynical or suspicious about this sizable donation that is going to be made to the city's government. But this industry needs allies in positions of power, so we're going to need to show them how this technology can actually help them achieve their goals. Once they see that they can get extra money to finance the programs they want to see in their jurisdictions without increasing taxes or making serious budget cuts, they will be much more likely to stand up for us in Washington the next time some dinosaur wants to shut down crypto. If you think that this is something that your city or town should adopt, you can cast your vote on the CityCoin's website, and they might reach out to your local representatives to get the ball rolling on a new crypto initiative in your area. Some parts of the United States may be slow to catch on or hesitant to adopt this kind of technology, so the next city-centered crypto project could be launching overseas. Seoul, capital of South Korea, will probably be the next city to adopt this kind of crypto infrastructure. It was recently announced that the city of Seoul will soon be powered by something called the S-Coin. Let's hope the first thing the South Korean government does is rebrand their city coin immediately. Why not Psycoin or Old Boy Coin? Mayor O.C. Give me a shout. Let's workshop this. I'm bullish on South Korea, but Seoul's S-Coin will not run on city coins and stacks. Instead, it will be built with the help of Korean super corporation Samsung, SDS, and Icon Loop, a popular smart contract platform in South Korea. It will also work much differently than MiamiCoin as well, because it will be used to process payments or things like tolls and public transportation. There have been talks of using the S-Coin to give monthly allowances to low-income families. Total 14 public services have signed on to accept the S-Coin as part of a new program that aims to turn Seoul into Asia's first blockchain-based smart city. In the years to come, governments around the world are going to be experimenting with this technology in their own unique ways. And we're going to see a new wave of innovation. We may not always like what they come up with, but at least when they're tapping into public blockchains like Bitcoin or Ethereum, their actions are more transparent, and hopefully it will be easier to hold them accountable with everything out in the open. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out. BitSwap is the hottest new way to trade tokens. Crawling all the top decentralized exchanges, BitSwap will get you the very best price and value for your trades. BitSwap is changing the game. Try it now at bitswapdex.com.